morning. A strong storm pushed through the area yesterday afternoon, and now we have more flooding.
And the water did not take long to cover River Drive in Moline and cause issues for drivers. One family had to be rescued after trying to drive through the standing water right in front of the Tax Slayer Center. The water was so high that it covered half of the van's doors. Thankfully, no one was hurt. And take a look at this video. Adrian sent this to us last night from 38th Street near 18th Avenue in Rock Island. You can see cars driving through some pretty high waters after the rain. Adrian said they noticed drivers not realizing how deep that water was until it was too late to slow down. But remember, you can always forward it to Local 4 if you see flooding or severe weather impacting your area. We made it easy with the ARQuad Cities app. It's free on Android and Apple devices. Set up breaking news notifications while you're there, and you can also share stories you want to see highlighted here on Local 4. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.
It's a plan to